Here's Manti on a Sunday morning, just enjoying the new rose that came up. Isn't that beautiful? That's a Abraham Lincoln rose. I don't think he's liking the video very much. So I would leave Manti alone and say, have a lovely Sunday.